Today is wash day! Da-na-na-na. My mom's gonna do a braided style and I'm gonna be on TV. So is there any question? If you wanna go from this to this, follow these steps.
I'm going to talk a bit here. When you cornrow, split the hair into 3 sections. Take the outermost layer, bring it under with your finger to the middle, and then hold your finger there so that the braid doesn't move. Then you take the other outer strand with your fingers, pinch it, bring it under and to the middle. The next outer strand, pinch it, go under to the middle. I'm going to put up a separate video on how to cornrow where you're going to see a different angle that makes it a little bit easier to see exactly what I'm doing, but further on in this video you'll be seeing the rest of the cornrows. Some of them have different lighting, some of them have different angles, but essentially here I'm just going to keep taking the outer sections and bringing it under to the middle. Now what you should do if you were taught how to braid but not how to cornrow, the problem that most people have is that they braid over. So they'll bring the outer layer over to the middle and over to the middle and then keep going. When you cornrow, you have to braid and go under to the middle. So I suggest if you don't know how to cornrow that you try to do just a regular braid but going under so that you can get the hand motions right first. Mimic my hands when you're trying to do those under braids, and then when you try to braid to the scalp, you'll see that your fingers will naturally pick up the hair as you go. Because if you're getting stuck because you're thinking about how much hair you should be picking up like in stitch braids, then you're already doing too much. This is just a cornrow braid. Your fingers will pick up the hair naturally as you keep going. So I'm going to speed it up here so you can just see my hand motion, and I'll keep going to the top.